Welcome to DataWitzz. My name is Taba. In this video, we will learn about how to create table in Excel. The tables in Excel are very powerful feature. It helps us in organizing our data. So let us first start how to create table in Excel. The first thing we need to do, we have to arrange our data something like this. Then after we will put our cursor anywhere in this data set. Then we will go in insert. In insert, we will click on table, or we can use Control T also. After clicking it, it asks a data range that needs to convert into a table. So this automatically picks our data range. It also asks my table has a header. If I have header in our data set, I will check on this. If I don't have, then I wouldn't. After doing after choosing these two options, I will click on OK. Now you see it completely got changed. So this is our table in Excel. There are multiple benefits of using a table, like it automatically picks a particular column or row whenever I will fill a particular value on this. Like I started my I started new entry on product ID. So let us suppose I created 1000. So it automatically fills the complete row. Same way, if I will go and create a new table like price, see, it automatically selects the whole table here. The other benefits of tables are it has a very pre-formatted layouts. These table styles are there, so we can change the layout automatically of this. There are multiple of them are here. Apart from that, we have different options, like we can delete our header if I don't want it. It gives a total rows, banded rows. If you don't want banded rows, you can uncheck that. Same as you wanted to create banded column, you can do that by checking on this. You wanted to highlight last column, that is possible by checking on it. Same as first column. There is a filter button which is by default working on it. If you want to choose that, you can choose. Otherwise, you can remove that. So we can use this total row option to get a subtotal values. So when we check here, there is one row created at the bottom of the table. Now this has multiple kind of mathematical summary here, like I can do average, count, sum, minimum, maximum, standard deviation, or I can choose none also. So basically this is a text function here. So we will select count, how many text are there. So it says 10. Yes, it is 10. So I have this numeric number. So I can do some mathematical function, like what is the total sum of these numbers. It gives 177. So 177. I can also put average. What is the average unit price? It gives me average. So I also can use slicer in table like we use it in the previous video. If you see, we use it for pivot table, same as I can use it for table also. So if I will click insert slicer, it gives me name of all column. So let us suppose I click on the last column status, it gives me the unique values of that column in the slicer to choose. Let us suppose if I choose in stock, then it automatically got filtered by in stock. Same as out stock, it automatically get out stock values. That was all for this video. I hope you like this video. Kindly subscribe our channel, share this video with others also. Thank you.